Well, our porch is still here. All the neighbors' houses are still here. Got some debris laying everywhere. So we got debris everywhere, but I don't see anything major from the porch. So trees everywhere, roof cap to the house, more roof caps, just little bushes everywhere. It's still pretty windy. Don't know if those belong to our place or not, so we're gonna have to get up there and check that out. Well, just as I suspected, all but 2 panels are missing out of that, and it looks like they got some shingles missing, and that's the place next to us.